YouTube, where we guys are laying out our design for our custom panel for the Regal. We already cut out our top back panel, so I already got this cut out. What I'm doing now is I'm cutting out all my speakers and my design pieces I want to go with, so I'm just drawing that out, and I'll show you what that look like in a minute. We got the doors off. About to get ready to mount everything up so we can start making sure everything is in place for the design. Everything lines up, so I'm gonna keep drawing and we'll be right back. All right, so I got my design laid out. It went simple, just did some nice little rectangle, triangle, diamond shape at the bottom. These gonna be plexiglass. Got a speaker here. Got a little light trim here. And then we're gonna also route this out and put a light in here. And then the rest of this will be fabric over and everything. And then we're gonna cut this centerpiece out so that way everything projects up off the panel. I'll show you how that looks in a minute, but starting to cut it, so we're just gonna cut this inside out. All this in here is gonna come out. Everything else is gonna stay. I'll show you how that looks in a minute. So now got these cut out. Now you can kind of see how the design is gonna go. You still gotta write out the middle of this. And then the top of this, we're gonna just leave pretty much clear as it is. And we're just gonna add in nice leather on this. Wrap it, route the edges off, of course. Matter of fact, we're gonna route the edges now. Well, I got everything together, but just give you a look at how the door is gonna look. We'll have a handle here. And then I'm gonna put an armrest here. All right, so this is where we at now. You got this braced up. We're gonna fiberglass this in to make it look like one clean piece. So I'm gonna get ready to fiberglass this in. And then this piece, we also gonna do the same thing. We're gonna add this piece at the top, give some contrast, route it out, and then just route it, fiberglass it in. I'm gonna add some nice strip light in here. See, we got that floating up. We're gonna add our grill trim here, and then we'll be able to add a speaker or two in there. I'm thinking I'm gonna do 6.5 and tweeter. Or I might be able to do 2 6.5s in here, and then run me tweeters in there. That's where we at right now. All right, so this is what the door looking like on. I'm liking that look. Might just do something a little bit more up here at the top. I don't know yet. I might put a plexiglass strip in there. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the top piece yet, but I'm gonna do something up here. The bottom I like. Just need to cut my piece for my speaker, and we could just go on, like I said, fiberglass all this in so it mold in good. Liking how that's looking so far. A lot better than other doors to me. A lot cleaner. I'm gonna put armrest right here. Just haven't made it yet. And then this is gonna get shaved down and rounded off real good. And we're gonna fiberglass all this in here so we can make sure we got a good solid top. So I still gotta cut this part here to match the dashboard. Then, like I said, we gotta mold this all in to make it look like one whole piece. This piece, I'm gonna route this edge off real good, make it round, and then I'm gonna clean all this up, make it real smooth. This piece, I'm thinking I might do something on here. Haven't decided yet. I'm gonna do something nice in here. I haven't decided exactly what I want to do. I'm thinking I might do like a Regal logo or something like that. where it goes in the middle and then it comes side to side on each door. But we'll see how that turns out. So far, this is what we got. So, working on the top piece. The other side was to do a nice little insert piece here. And we're gonna bondo it in like I'm doing now, round everything off, make it look nice and even all the way around. We're gonna pop this out. What it's gonna do is gonna leave us nice clean indentation. And then I have another piece that's gonna slide in here with an LED that we're gonna run an LED light on. And that's gonna be our insert piece. So we're trying to make it look somewhat like the old, but updated. So we got a top half and bottom half. This door, we're gonna cut it right along this line, so that way I have two pieces. And I'm gonna wrap them in two separate pieces, so that way when I put it back together, it looks like an original Regal door, just updated. So next thing we're doing is I'm gonna be working on the bottom. I'm gonna finish bondoing this in and body working all this in, and then I'm gonna go to the bottom half of it and show you how I'm gonna do that. Looking good so far. So it's gonna come together good. Like I said, it's made a whole lot lighter. It's not heavy on the doors. We got 1/4 inch, 2 pieces of wood, that's it. And then we're gonna have a speaker, of course, that's gonna attach to the door, some plexiglass, and an armrest. So next time I'll probably be doing this armrest as well. All right, stay tuned. So it's gonna be a plexiglass piece right here. And the rest of this, I'm about to body work and mold off. So we just sanded down all this. You see we got little craters in there. We're gonna fill this in with some glaze. Sand here a little bit more. We're gonna mold this off down so we get a nice smooth edge. Same back here. So once I get all that done, I'm gonna pop this wood piece out again and see how that looks. I might like it like that with just that simple top, but we're gonna see. We're gonna pop that out, see how everything looks, make sure everything's straight and lined up, and then we put this back in and reroute this bottom edge, reroute inside, clean everything up so that we can get a good fit on our insert piece. So we're gonna start working on the insert piece now. That goes right in the door here. So I found where I want to do my logo. Do it right here on the corner. Right? And then we're going to do some nice routed lines in this. Because this is all going to be routed edges and stuff and cleaned up. So it's going to do nice little routed edges. We're going to do lines that's going to lead up to there just to give it some definition in there. See, we got that molded. So I'm satisfied with that right there. And that's going to be a plexiglass piece right there in the back. So this piece gonna be able to come out. Just gonna pop that in. Build it with our plexiglass. Pop right in. And that's it. Then we're gonna mold our armrest in there. Last thing. Alright, now you can see how that left. That's a nice clean indentation that we can run lights under. So that's gonna illuminate. I gotta extend this piece just a little bit out to here. So that way it covers this piece here. So we're gonna make a little piece that's gonna be a cap that can go on top of here, but it's gonna all look like one piece. We're gonna route this off. It's gonna be an edge piece there. That's what it's gonna look like.